Hello, classroom 3. Welcome to Friday. Yay, we got through the week, another week. So today I'm going to point to the activity we are doing today. 6. Don't mind the dates. It says April 28th, but don't mind the date. We actually did it on time. The dates is for people who start a little later, but we did ours start on Monday, so don't worry about the dates. But 26, Humpty Dumpty. Now, Miss Tiana, she did post a video of the Humpty Dumpty poem, so you could have your child go watch it, and then you could discuss some of these questions. Humpty video on the YouTube channel. You could ask how for ELA and social and emotional child why they think Humpty Dumpty was sitting on a wall, and what and how he felt when he fell down. So to your child about the time they fell down, how it made them feel. For math, you could ask your child how big they think Humpty Dumpty was. Size of an egg, size of a ball. That's just some example. Or ask how tall they think Humpty Dumpty was. Was he as tall as a horse? Was he shorter, 2 inches? So you could go on it and ask them that question. That's science. So science, you could take a roll up sock and drop it. Ask your child how it different from Humpty Dumpty, or talk about why did the king and his horsemen wanted to put Humpty back together again? Were they successful? Do you think after the egg broke, what happened? Or after the egg fell, what happened to the egg? Did it crack? Do you think they put the egg together? So just explore the science part of it. Or you could do a sock, and the reason why a sock might not crack when it falls, and the reason that egg might crack when it falls. So just go over some of those details. In physical activity, you could have your child act out the Humpty Dumpty nursery rhyme. So again, the rhyme is on our YouTube channel. Miss Tiana made a nice video for it. Is entertaining. So I hope you enjoy. Again, I'm asking you to please send videos or a picture of your child doing an activity with the explanation of what your child was doing and what your child was saying. You could follow some of these questions that's on this lesson plan, and or I am going to email you guys a little article or paper saying what kind of questions you could be asking, open-ended questions you could be asking your child to get a more of a conversation. And you guys could record it, text it to me, or you could text me what they said. You could record it, record yourself asking the questions and your child answering the question. Or if you have Microsoft Word, or you could just type it up what they said and you could email it to me. It's just other ways. Or we could have a phone conversation. If you choose to have a phone conversation, reach out to me with the number that I text you from, and we could set up a time where we could talk, and I could ask the questions and write it down. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thanks.